if you want to choose the right partner, avoid these 10 traps. Number 1, demonic trap. This will truncate your destiny. Learn from Samson and Delilah. Number 2, the trap of disobedience. Disobedience to God's word, God's written word, and God's spoken word. Disobedience to your parents and spiritual parents. That will make your life miserable. Number 3, the trap of ignorance of God's design for the institution of marriage. Number 4, the trap of haste. Rushing into commitment to marry without fully understanding the partner's character, habits, vision, and values. You are entering into trouble. Trap number 5, trap of lust. Be careful of physical attraction that slays. That's infatuation. Attractive shape without substance. Handsome look without healthy heart. Wealth without wellness and wisdom. Trap 6, trap of low self-esteem, lack of wise counsel makes you a prey to a marital predator. Trap number 7, immaturity and readiness. When these persons or you are not spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally, and even financially mature, that guarantee a wrong choice in marriage. Trap number 8, ignoring red flags. That is overlooking bad habits, toxic attitudes, or incompatibility. Mistakenly believe that marriage will change the person. No. Trap number 9, prayer of age, societal and family prayer. The last trap, pride. Marrying to prove a point of status quo and not for love, not for respect and companionship. Make sure you like this video. Share it with your friends. If you are yet to subscribe, please do it now. Don't forget to ask your question in the comment section. God bless you.